Hey guys, welcome to today's lesson. We are going to learn how to use the verb spend in Spanish. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram to get Spanish content every week. Alright, let's get started. So, it is funny how in English we use the verb spend to express two different ideas or situations. So, we can see here two examples. I spend time with you versus I spend my money. Well, in Spanish, we cannot do this. For us to say these two different ideas, we need to use two different verbs. The first, pasar, and the second one is gastar, right? So, just for the purpose of this exercise, we're going to focus on the first verb, pasar, which is the one that is used to express the first sentence. I spend time with you. Alright, so pasar, which means to spend. In this example, pasar means to use time for a particular purpose or to pass time in general with someone or with something, like in these pictures. First one, I spend time with my dog, and in the second one, I spend time with my family, let's say. Now, let's try to get into some conjugations. So, I spend, it's in the present tense, right? So, the way you say this in Spanish is paso. Now, if we want to say I spend time, you would say paso tiempo, right? Now, how do you say with? Con. And how would you say my sister? Mi hermana. So, how would you say I spend time with my sister? Good. Paso tiempo con mi hermana. Great. Now, how would you say my family? Mi familia. So if we already know how to say my family in Spanish, how would you say I spend time with my family? Good. Perfect. Paso tiempo con mi familia. Okay, and what if we want to say alone? In Spanish, we say a solas. A solas. So if we say I spend time alone, how would you say that in Spanish? Good. Perfect. Paso tiempo a solas. Awesome. Now let's add something else. Let's say a new verb. So how do you say I like? Me gusta. Now, just to remember what we discussed at the beginning, how would you say to spend? Yes, pasar. So this is the verb in infinitive form, right? Okay, so to use this, how would you say I like to spend? Good. Me gusta pasar. Awesome. Now, how would you say I like to spend time alone? Awesome. Me gusta pasar tiempo a solas. Great. And now, how would you say I like to spend time with my family? Good. Me gusta pasar tiempo con mi familia. So now one more verb. Let's say I want. How do you say I want in Spanish? Quiero. Now, how would you say I want to spend time alone? Perfect. Quiero pasar tiempo a solas. Good. And how do you say my dog? Mi perro. All right? So if you want to say, I want to spend time with my dog, how would you say that? Perfect. You would say, quiero pasar tiempo con mi perro. Okay, and now, do you remember last lesson when we define how to say, do you know where? Ajá. ¿Sabes dónde? Perfect. Now, how did you say my holidays in Spanish? Mis vacaciones. And what if you want to say, do you know where I spend my holidays? How would you say that in Spanish? Uh-huh. Good. It would be, ¿sabes dónde paso mis vacaciones? And now, what if you want to say this same sentence, but in the past tense? The way you say I spent in the past tense is pasé, pasé, all right? So how would you say this time, do you know where I spent my holidays? Awesome, good. ¿Sabes dónde pasé mis vacaciones? And now, how would you say I spent my holidays with my sister? Ah, great, perfect. Yo pasé mis vacaciones con mi hermana. Great, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and you learned how to write and pronounce some new basic sentences. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on YouTube. I will be posting new Spanish content every week. So don't miss out and see you soon. Bye.